Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with a Cap. Take out your which book? Art and Activity Skill Book. Chapter 15. What we will do today? Today we will do Chapter 15. Ice cream. Take out your white and green color book. Take out your book fast. Now, see the worksheet. Color the ice cream, candy and cone as shown. First of all, tell me which ice cream do you like? I like mango ice cream. I like mango ice cream. That's why I take yellow color. That's why I take yellow color. Now tell me, what is your favorite color? Red, blue, yellow, purple, green, orange. Now tell me your favorite ice cream. Strawberry, butterscotch, mango, which? Which? Okay, now you have to take your favorite ice cream in your mind and start coloring. If you like strawberry, then you will do pink color. Okay, I like mango ice cream. That's why I'm doing yellow color. Okay. Take out your crayons and start coloring with me. Take out your crayons and start coloring with me. What is this? This is ice cream and this is cone. Start coloring. And fill the gaps. Fill the gaps. Complete it fast and start doing this with me. I hope you all are enjoying. Do it fast. Do it fast. Now color in the cherry. Do it fast. Now take out your brown color and start doing with me. Up and down, up and down. In which season we eat ice creams? In which season? Summer season. And fill the gaps. Do it neatly. Don't leave the gaps, okay? Do it neatly. Completed fast. All of you have completed? Very good. I hope you enjoyed a lot. See you soon in the next class. Happy learning!